Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa music. We will begin by exploring the fundamental characteristics that define this exciting genre. Salsa is a fusion of rich Latin American traditions, primarily from Cuba and Puerto Rico, blending various styles like son and mambo. It's known for its infectious rhythms and energetic feel, making it perfect for dancing. Grasping these core elements is your first step toward creating your own authentic salsa tunes, ensuring your music truly captures its spirit. Next, let's dive into the rhythmic heart of salsa music. The clave, typically a 2-3 or 3-2 pattern, is absolutely fundamental. Everything else locks into it. Essential percussion includes congas, timbales, and bongos, each adding distinct textures. The bass provides a powerful, driving rhythmic and harmonic foundation, often playing syncopated patterns. Meanwhile, the piano's montuno creates those iconic, repeating melodic phrases that give salsa its characteristic groove and energy. Now, let's explore how melodies and harmonies are constructed in salsa. Melodies frequently employ a call-and-response structure, creating engaging musical conversations. Harmonically, you'll often find progressions like the 2-5-1 or 1-4-5 in major keys, providing a familiar yet vibrant framework. Brass instruments, such as trumpets and trombones, are crucial for delivering those powerful, memorable melodic hooks. Vocalists also play a key role, often improvising exciting phrases during the song's more energetic sections. Finally, let's discuss arranging and producing your salsa track. A typical salsa song structure includes an introduction, verses, a chorus, and an energetic mambo section, often followed by a coda. Achieving dynamic contrast is vital, varying instrumentation and intensity throughout the piece to keep listeners engaged. When mixing, pay close attention to balancing the many percussive elements and instruments. The goal is to capture the raw, vibrant energy and live feel that makes salsa music so irresistible and danceable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.